Friday night. We made it through another week. Let's get the girls ready for bed. Hi, beautiful ladies. How we doing? Scratching and pecking, I see. Here, my buddy. He's right. Oh, he was sleeping. He was sleeping. Let's go get some eggs. Let's scoop the poop and get some eggs. Well, look at this. There's a bunch of ladies already ready for bed. I'll be out in a minute, bud. What you guys doing? So we didn't get the background check passed on my new maintenance guy yet. So his start date is not Monday. It'll probably be Tuesday. But it's happening. Well, hi. Hi, beautiful. So we got 3. That's 4. That's 5. That's 6. 7, 8. Damn it, back down to the 7, 8. Why? Why? You want some more yogurt? Is that what it is? Yeah. There's my little shadow who thinks he's going to just stop in the middle of the road and get pettings. You crazy nutcase. You know we don't do that. Yeah. He's been coming in a lot more lately, making things happen. He's gonna get used to it. Stop clawing stuff. He just tried to dash in here and I closed the door on his foot accidentally. He's a little bit upset with me. But I'm not gonna have him run in here and hide and play his game he's been playing. Because then I gotta come back out 20 minutes later and try to get him out. Dad. How you doing, huh? You want your treats? Yeah. You know, he's got multiple warm places to sleep, and he sleeps up in that dang treehouse. I put a cover over it, and he stops going up there. So, I guess he will... There's a heated bed in here. So, I guess he will decide to get warm when he wants. Maybe he's warm. So, just a reminder that if you're not following me on YouTube, it's the same name, David Gantz too. In case something happens to TikTok or this page, I'm posting over there now. So I don't have that many followers, but I am starting to post over there just in case we lose this TikTok account. He has really changed in the last couple of days. Like the last 5 days, he's been mellow, not trying to kill me, not plotting my death. Maybe he's getting old and just tired of it. Bug, 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 bug. Bug, bug. Yes, I'm making fun of you guys. Hi. They act like they're starving and they got food. Here, mama. Yeah. Hey, my mama. Oh, here comes Goldie. Goldie's got to break bread with you. Goldie knows where the goods are. I really wished I knew how old she was. She was adopted about a year and a half ago. Definitely somebody's pet. She was at the King County Animal Shelter. Look at my friends. You want to get on that too? You want to get on that too? Yeah. So Kathy's not getting worse. She's actually getting a little bit better. Not walking too much. Well, she's kind of walking like a penguin, but nothing like before. And her bum is definitely shrinking. It's definitely the milk thistle and the dandelion roots really helping her. So she's got water belly, and I don't know. She's going to make her comfortable. That's all I can do. Well, we got 2 today. I'll take that from you guys. Wow, look at that moon. That is beautiful. That means all the crazies are going to be out. Security at work will have their hands full. Hi, bud. There goes my Speedy. So tomorrow, got some work to do. Nothing much. It's going to be an easy day tomorrow. Hey, buddy. Yeah, need some belly rubs. You need some belly rubs. Yeah, just do chicken stuff. Work on a few things around the house. Pet my buddy here. Yeah. On that note, I'm going to give my friend here some attention. And then I'm going in. You all stay safe. Have an amazing night.